who know me know that we just moved, and to be very honest, moving is very stressful with or without kids. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sayantani, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, then please take a minute to hit that red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my uploads. In today's video, I'm going to show you 15 easy tricks and hacks that will reduce your stress and make your move pleasant. So without further ado, let's get started. Do it, girls. I have years of experience. I moved to different countries, different states, and even in different houses in same city. So you can count on me. Hack number 1 and the most important thing is plan ahead. Whether you are buying a place or renting, know the floor plan beforehand. I know it sounds crazy, but later it will save you tremendous amount of time and energy. Once you know the floor plan, it's time to decorate the place virtually. You can use pen or paper or any kind of software. I used a 3D software and the free version of it. And it made my life so much easier. Hack number 2. Okay, now you are fully aware of the floor plan and you know exactly which furniture goes which place. Next, purge the item you do not need, which does not have any place in your virtual design plan. You can donate or throw away stuff like kids' small clothes which does not fit anymore, or baby bassinet, or any kind of toys which they don't like anymore. I know it's really emotional to get rid of those items, but you can always buy if you need it. And trust me, after you are done, you will feel better. And for the adults, if something you are not wearing for last 6 months, then the probability is you are not gonna wear it again. So get rid of those items and you will be surprised at how many junk you had and you didn't even know about it. Declutter the closet, storage areas, any old furniture gotta go. Rugs that don't look clean anymore need to go. Basically, you just made your life easier. You already decorated your house and you know exactly what stays and what goes. Hack number 3, if you have very little items to move, then you can definitely borrow some boxes from your friends or Facebook group, anywhere you want, because they will be either free or near to free. But it did not work for me. I wanted the box to have exact same size so that they are stackable, so that it can travel long distance. And normally with the free boxes, the shapes may vary, and that really didn't work for me. I could have saved some money on that, but anyways. Every time I packed a box, I labeled them in detail, and the labels were color coordinated. Like for each room, they had particular color. For example, for kids' room, I used blue paper, and for master bedroom, it was pink. For garage, it was green, and so on. You can also use spray paint instead. That will do the job too. And you just need to buy different colors for different rooms, so that when you have 300 boxes scattered around, you will identify them and you know exactly what inside the box. Hack number 4, and one of the most important one, is every time you pack a box, you have to enter the details somewhere. Like you can use any software you want, or you can just print it out. In our case, we just used a notepad, and my husband and I both had access to it. So whenever we updated the list, the other person could see. And we could also work together even though we are in a separate room and working differently. Hack number 5 is, if you have too many items and looks like one big truck cannot carry all of your items, then definitely book more, but that will increase the cost double or triple. And you don't want that in last moment. So what we did, we also booked 3 pods in addition to one big truck and checked when they will arrive. The truck has arrived as soon as we arrived. So we placed most of the furniture and some everyday items in the truck and rest of it in the pods, so that if it takes more time, we will survive. Hack number 6, redirect your postal address before you leave. That's very important. You can do it online, or you can just go there and talk to them. You can tell them your approximate arrival date and ask them to send all the mails to the new address from that day onward. Again, you can do that online too if you want to save some energy and time. Hack number 7, when you are packing your dishes, put some coffee filters in between so that it will give a padding, a cushion effect, and your dishes and plates will be safer. Also use your pillowcases and bed sheets, and trust me, you will save tons of money in padding. Hack number 8, when you are packing your cups and glasses, use your socks as padding material and place them in such way so that they don't break. And do not forget to label them as fragile. You know, that works. Hack number 9, if you are also packing your painting and mirrors, then use pool noodles to protect the corners. You also have to wrap them with blanket for extra protection if you are traveling longer distance. Bubble wraps are also very useful when you are traveling not too far and you are carrying them in the car. Hack number 10. Before packing anything, buy a bunch of Sharpies and some Scotch tape rollers. They are amazing. They are lifesaver, guys. I can swear on them. It's extremely time saving and it's less dangerous around the kids. Hack number 11 is don't take off your clothes from the hanger. Just wrap them with some garbage bag or some other kind of bag and store them in a box or suitcase, I guess. It will save your time when you will be busy in your new place. Hack number 12. When you arrive in your new place, concentrate on your kitchen first and then kids' bedroom. If kids don't feel their new place as home, then things will be a little rough. So to make your life easier, make them feel like home, and you cannot do anything in empty stomachs. So kitchen and kids' bedroom, they should be your first priority. Hack number 13, if you are moving with your kids, carry a toy box and put all of their favorite toys in it. Make sure they didn't see them for at least a couple of weeks before you move. Otherwise, they will lose interest and your life will be chaotic. Hack number 14, when you take off the parts of a furniture, store the screws and other parts in a clear bag and tie them with the furnitures. In that way, there will be less chance to lose any parts when you assemble them. Hack number 15, when the truck arrives, show the movers your floor plan and design you made. That will give them the clear idea of which furniture is going at which place. And trust me, they will really appreciate it because it will save their energy as well as yours. I think I covered pretty much everything I remembered, and these techniques really helped me a lot and my stress level went down. If you have any questions regarding the packing hacks, please feel free to comment below in the comment section. Also, how long did it take for you to unpack everything? Please share your moving experience with me, and I would love to know because I am in complete mess right now. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and also click the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. I really hope it will help you exactly the way it helped me out, and happy moving, guys. I will upload a brand new video next week and I will catch you there. Till then, stay well. Bye.